This is so cool.
You cannot move at all. And I'm allowed to swear right now.
Look at the picture of that.
Oh my god, don't look down.
God, that's it, baby.
Oh, Gabby, this is incredible. This is the most incredible thing.
I'm gonna drop my phone out.
Don't do that.
Oh, I'm really scared. Oh, I'm really scared.
Oh, this is amazing.
Beautiful. I see it.
I'm not looking down. Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Oh, this is amazing.
It's beautiful.
Oh, this is incredible.
This is an unbelievable view.
No sound of a motor, you know?
Down. Oh my god, this is so
Beautiful.
No steering.
Yeah, we steer it with the wind currents that we have.
Oh, okay.
Which is totally unreliable.
Right.
This is beautiful.
Holy shit.
Absolutely incredible.
Unbelievable view up here. Holy smoke.
It's so incredibly peaceful.
What are they doing?
Uh-oh. I'm gonna land on that roof.
Uh-oh.
Now you're glad you're not in the colorful one?
Stop.
This is beautiful.
Wow.
Holy smoke. Alright, this thing's going to spit out some warm water. It's just condensation.
Mm-hmm.
How are you not holding on right now?
Oh my god,
What do you mean?
now I'm gonna enjoy
How are you not holding on
Just watch the view.
Okay, I'm going to move you guys to the back here and let me get forward.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, just don't knock the pin out of the trap door. We'll find.
Trapdoor wasn't something I was going to hear this morning.
That's like a big toilet. Alright, we're good. Alright.
All good?
Oh my god.
Thank you.
It's so silly goosey.
Better eyeball where we're going.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
See those pearly whites, Gabby?
What?
Beautiful. God, it's so beautiful.
There you go.
You mean the...
Wow. Woo.
Shiver me timbers.
You haven't sworn yet, which I'm happy about.
Actually, I have. You just couldn't.
Oh, I haven't heard it?
Yeah, when the thing goes off, I swear a lot.
Beautiful.
I keep looking straight at
Absolutely incredible. This must be beautiful for people down there too. I mean, like people driving in cars must. This is incredible.
It's really tight.
I'm like not that scared actually. Like, I thought I would be more
No, this
scared,
is
but,
great.
I'm not that scared. This is so pretty.
This is
So
beautiful.
pretty.
I want to like enjoy it, not be on my phone.
Yep. You should do that.
Put your phone away.
This is cool.
Look at the river,
This is
huh?
really, really cool. I love my job.
I
I have
know.
a lot of enjoyment out of this.
The view is so beautiful.
Especially when I have people that haven't done it the first time and
Yeah.
everything, and just really excited. About
Yeah.
Yeah, our first time.
This is our first time. It's like
All four of us, yeah.
You too.
Yeah.
Actually, I've been to
Unbelievable.
Disney World.
It's just incredible.
Holy smoke!
Wow.
Unbelievable. Alright, when we do a low profile, if you don't think I see something like a tower,
Yep.
power lines,
Let you know.
or anything, just smack me in the head and say, you see that, don't you?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
Building. Look at the football field and the base, the running track.
Beautiful.
Yep.
I want to get my.
Unbelievable.
Now we'll have to move you every once in a while. We'll check fuel
Yep.
levels and all that stuff. I'm gonna move you guys over here. Why don't you stay over there?
Stay over there.
I'm gonna move you guys over there.
Look at the ones coming up, honey.
I don't want to put my phone over the edge. I don't know how you're doing that because you're the clumsiest person I know.
I have a
Yeah, we're gonna come down.
I have a handle on
We're
mine.
supposed to be 500 feet.
Okay.
Oh, like it.
And then once we start getting into broken areas, we can come down to 200 to the ground maybe.
Do you have a gauge? I know. How can you tell?
This
Yeah.
gauge is there. Yeah.
Right behind you.
Yep.
Right there.
Oh, right there. Right in front of me.
Oh my god.
Pretty cool.
Look at picture moment.
Look at that. Look at all the balloons coming up, huh?
Look straight up.
I saw. Look at all the balloons coming up.
Look at that baby.
I'm turning around actually.
Mm.
Look how beautiful this is.
So peaceful.
Unbelievable.
Dad, you moved way too
This is
Fine.
unbelievable.
Nah.
Unbelievable. This is so
Three
cool.
mods.
Tennis courts. Look at them.
Oh, tennis.
Homer! Get it, boy. Come on, I'm on your side. Look at the balloon.
He does not like that. Yoshi would not be happy. Look how fast we move, huh? Like we really move. Well, happy birthday, baby.
Thanks.
Mm. Look at them all coming up. Huh? Yeah? Look at them all coming up. Yeah, that's a pretty one. Yeah, he almost hit a building then.